Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Only this, of course, they submitted the memorandum to me. It's not matter where we can just give any promises while submitting the memorandum. I told them let the government examine because the memorandum is submitted to me. Let the department concerned to work out and then see what can be done. And because yes, we are here also for the interest of the state as a whole, not to any particular section, but we are here for the interest of the state as a whole. Therefore, whatever issues they pointed out in the memorandum will be examined by the government. We are here in examine. Let us examine. We will examine. Namar kane ka khajanar kade assess. The assess ka mengisim kalong baik namar ba pilatip bahai kane assess kalong da kabanta ka education sector. Mo na ka education sector ka diesel ka petrol ngisim ni assess. So therefore bangan suong baik bangila banle kamta kamlong nakakata mo nglaong ya kiru ka government ka sa examine ngan sa take up ka transport department bakin work out ka ekala best possible way banle na kamta ban east ya ni ka jing keu kan san ka petrol ba ka diesel hapo mdai tang be khala mdai hakarin dia ita even me I don't know, but what I'm saying I already told you. We will ask the concerned department to examine this issue very seriously for the entire country. Don't compare only for Meghalaya alone, but you need to also see the overall situation that we have in the nation as a whole.